YouTube? It's your boy Donnie, aka Donnie B, aka Donnie B Fair, and that's Bricks. And this is a Brick Fair production. So if you like that effect that you just saw, that's just going to be one of many of the effects that you will learn in this series of me teaching you how to use Adobe Creative Cloud applications. Before we get into it, I gotta say, I got a PSA. I have a problem. I have a hard time putting my thoughts into words. So my solution to that problem is to just have you jump right into my mind. I know it sounds crazy, but just hear me out. Jump right into my mind. It's real easy. Don't even think about it. All you gotta do is just... We are in my mind. Excuse me if I sound a little bit robotic-y. New mic is in order. But for now, this is what I got. This is what we got. Alright, so just gonna go ahead and open up Adobe Premiere Pro. Today we are gonna learn the basics of this application. Not too many effects, but just how the basics. So you're gonna go ahead and open up a new project. Once you've opened up your app, you're gonna go ahead and excuse me. I'm gonna phone. All right, excuse me for that. God damn. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and title this file whatever you want to call it. For the sake of this video, we're gonna call it episode 1 tutorial. And go ahead and hit OK. Once you do that, excuse me, that sounded like I was from Baltimore. Once you do that, you're gonna come to this screen where it's these 4 different panels. You're gonna focus on this bottom left panel. This is how you're gonna import your media, your files, your video files of whatever you recorded. If you shot a music video, this is where you would get your scenes, from the video shoot, whatever it is, you're gonna import it in this box. So you're gonna right click that, hit import, and then find where it is. Mine is in the downloads, and I'm gonna go ahead and import it. So this video right here is actually a video that I downloaded from the internet. Pixels videos as like some stock videos there. You can practice editing on those. I'll leave a link in the description to it so you can download it as well and edit along with me if you so choose. So once you have done that, you have got your file into the project. Now we need to we want to put this video onto our timeline and make it into a sequence. And then all you do is drag and drop, and boom, we got the video right there. So you can go ahead and press the space bar to press play, and the video starts playing. Space bar to stop. Boom, that easy. Play, stop, play, stop. Space bar, too easy. So you're gonna go ahead and rewind this, and what I want to do is I want to make a cut right before that person walks past. So I'm gonna go to the arrow keys and just move to the left of frames, so I can press it once and it goes frame by frame, and I go right. It's pretty self-explanatory. Left, right, frame, left. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it literally the first frame where right before he comes in. Then I'm gonna go over to my tools and press C to get to it, but where it's the razor tool, so you can make cuts. It's right here. Like I said, you can press C on your keyboard and just it'll select it for you. And we're gonna go ahead and make a cut right there before the guy walks onto, or whoever it is walks onto the screen. So you're gonna go ahead and select your selection tool right here. It's also V on the keyboard. So you got C for the cut and then V for your selection tool. You just that easy. And we're gonna come to this video, click it, highlight it, and then we're gonna press delete on the keyboard. Boom, it's gone. Because we don't want it. Out of my life, deleted you. It's that easy. Simple. So now we got the video to start where we wanted to start. See, you already learning. You learn how to cut a video. Now that we've done that, kind of want to, you know, let's see. Let's watch this video out. We got a car. Okay, maybe when the car comes back past, we want to make it go slow motion. So we're going to do that. So what we're going to do right here is, like I said, we're going to move over frames. I'm going to move to the right until the car comes in. And right about here is where I want the slow motion. Excuse me, I'm getting another phone call. Alright, I'm sorry for that. I guess I'm rather popular at this particular moment when I want to record my video. Haha. And anyway, back to it. We're gonna slow it down. So right around here is where we want the slow down to happen. So we're gonna select our cut tool again. See? Make a cut. And then go back to our selection tool, V. And then we want to select this clip right here. So now we're gonna focus on another panel. If you look to the left, top left, we got and hit the effects control panel and the sub panel in the panel. You get all these little good facts about your video file. The position, the scale, the rotation, everything is at the default right now. And we're not really going to change it, but I like to, when I'm working on a specific video on the timeline, I like to just have my effects open in the left just to, see what's going on in there, even though I may not do anything involved with it. So we're not. But what we are going to do is come right back to this file. You're going to right click it and you're going to hit unlink. And what this does is it unlinks the audio from the video. So now how if I would move it together, they will move together. Now it doesn't do that. It moves by itself. You can keep the audio right there. And that is what you would do for a music video. You would unlink the audio and then just delete it so that, any background noise that you shot during the shoot won't be in the video. Obviously, you don't want that. And then you would just import your MP3 files into the timeline and align it correctly. That'll be another video another day, but for now we're gonna focus on this slow motion. And actually, we're gonna go ahead and make those back. We want to keep those linked because we want to slow motion the audio as well with the car. So, once you make a mistake, you can go ahead and hit Control and V, and that'll undo the last thing you did. So the last thing I did was move these, files around. So I'm gonna, hit Control V until it gets back to where I unlinked it. And then even just to be safe, I'm gonna do it to where I cut it. Now the cut's gone. Control V, easy undo. So we're gonna make this cut again. And then we're gonna go ahead and right click it, speed and duration, and just go ahead and slow it down to about 50%. So now what you got is God walking past, yada yada yada. And then maybe you even want to say slow motion. See that? We just learned something. You learn how to make slow motion. And now we're gonna do one more thing because I don't like how this is not looking. It looks a little too slow. The video itself. So right after the guy walks past, I want this to all be sped up. So you're gonna do the same thing. Make the cut. Right click the video, speed and duration, and then you speed it up. So you got 200. What that did though is it shortens the clip because the time is faster. So you got a big old gap in between these two clips from where the car pulls up to where it slows down, and that's okay.
is a quick fix for that. So you got speed up, 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 and it just goes out because the video is done. The car went past and it was done. What we're gonna do is go ahead and drag these clips out all the way until you can't anymore. So that'll, extend the video. Still got your slow motion clips right here, but we don't even need it anymore. We're gonna go ahead and highlight and delete those. So we're gonna go frame over, frame over, frame over till you find where we want to slow down the curve. Make the cut. Selection tool right there again. Right click. Speed and duration. Let's go 50% and boom. Once you do that, you can hit enter and it'll play the video from start to finish. Speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up, speed up. Car, slow down. And that's it. That's it. And that's all. It's real simple. But this is episode 1 of Editing with Donnie. You should learn down how to import your files. Nothing too much. We'll get more to it later on, but this is just the introduction. And I hope you all liked it. If you did, leave a like. If you don't like it, you should still leave a like because you're a good person and good people are great. If there's any suggestions or any things you want to see specifically in tutorials, just let me know. Feel free to comment or mention me, DM me, whatever. I'm here for you, and I want all feedback. This is my first time doing something like this, so feedback is essential. I need to be criticized, and like I said, I hope you like it. I hope you learned something. This application does cost, but it is worth it, and that is it. Brick out. Before we go, that's a lie. Before we go, because Brick is not out, Brick is back. Before we go, we want to save our file. Control and S. Boom, that easy. Saves it. But if not, you can go up here to the top left and then hit save. Once you do that, you can go ahead and safely hit this close out button and boom, your file is done. And don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on social media at Donnie Be Fair. Boom, links will be in the description, and it's also going to be right here on the video itself. So hope you enjoy. Peace.